Shooting at gone off beer cans with my BSA Ultra SE in 177 using JSB Exact Diablo Heavy 10.34 grain. "30 yards. Nice pop on it. That's what I call an exit hole. And there, out there. Waste of beer, I know, but don't worry, it's 3 years out of date and I don't drink bitter. Of a lager, man.